Oh, no way.
There you go. That's how you win this game. What's up, everyone? I'm here in Durham, North Carolina at Frankie's. Let's go hack some arcades. We're gonna start off with the claw machine. These claw machines, there is a 1% possibility of winning. Okay? Well, let me show you. Like, there's no way you can win this. It's like 1 out of like 800 tries or whatever. See? You can't win it. But there's a hack to it where you can win it automatically. Check this out. Alright, so here's how you win. You see this key button right here? You might think it's a regular keyhole, but if you hold it for 5 seconds, it's gonna pop out like that. You turn it, and now you can just win it automatically. See that green one right there we were trying to get? We can get it right now. Check this out. Bam. That's how you do it. Okay, so this is one of the hardest crane games to win because it's not a regular crane like that. It only has 2 prongs, so it's hard to grip the thing. But there's a way to hack this. All you gotta do, there are 4 points on the actual thing, the claw machine. You're gonna touch it, touch all those points. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you do that, the machine knows you're gonna do maintenance on it, and you're probably gonna win. So let's win one of these Care Bears. Let's aim for this blue one. Here we go. There you have it, Care Bear. So we're here at the spinning jackpot Wheel of Fortune thingy. Before you start, you want to let the machine know you're doing maintenance on it. In order to do that, simple. You gotta bring this lever up, down, up, middle, down. And now it's time to play this game.
Spun that wheel so many times, I think the fish may be dizzy.
Can we do it?
Yeah. No wonder the siren is blaring. Check it out.
Alright, time for the bigger version of the crane game. There's a hack for this, alright? You want to grab this lever. You want to crank it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's going to let the machine know you're doing maintenance on it, and you're probably going to win this game. Check this out. Alright, here we go. There you go, that's how you win this game. Alright, so we're gonna do another crane machine. Like the beginning, all you wanna do is go over here, touch this for 3 seconds, and you should be good.
Excuse me, sir. Can you cut that off? We watching our cameras and we saw you showing people how to rig our games, stuff like that, and we really don't appreciate that here, so we want extra.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know. Sorry.
It's fine, but you gotta have to leave, right?
All right.
Thank you so much.
Sorry. I didn't mean to. We're getting kicked out right now. All right, that is how you hack arcades. Be careful when you do this though, because they have cameras and stuff. They might see you. They ended up taking all our prizes, but I was able to keep this little Care Bear, so stay hacking. Peace. Peace.